my name is Sam, and I'm an account manager here at Conde Systems. I want to help you find products that have a high demand and low competition on Etsy. Today, I would like to talk about a specific holiday or time frame for this one. It is the wedding season, wedding niche. It's from May to October. So we would like to get our listings up as soon as possible to give them 90 days to marinate, to grow, to be seen. So I will try to help you here find some products that we can list or keywords that we can use, give us some ideas of some items to make and list in our store. So while looking, I started with just wedding season, and that has no searches, no results. So the next thing I went to are wedding favors, and I will search that with you here and look to see if we can find some potential words. So wedding favors has a huge amount of searches, but huge amount of competition. So we are going to see if there is some other words that we can use. The next one is wedding favors for guests in bulk. I like this keyword here. The next, wedding favors for guests, wedding favors in bulk. So this tells me that I need to make a listing for bulk items. I like that idea. We can sell more, make larger sales, make more profit. Wedding favors in bulk, rustic wedding favors, unique wedding favors, wedding favor candle. Yeah, so I then write down every word that has green searches, green competition. I then will go back and search those words individually, look to see if there are any other keywords or tags that fit with my product, and also search Etsy, come up with ideas, products to make, products to list. Another great item for the wedding season is wedding shot glasses. Also can be sold in bulk, personalized. You see here, 1,200 searches, low competition. Engagement favors go along with the wedding season. Good searches, low competition. We see here engagement party favors as well as engagement favors. Lastly, I have wedding signs. We can definitely make wedding signs for sublimation. If we just use the keyword wedding sign, you see good searches, but high competition. So we need to be a little more specific. Wedding welcome sign. Yes, I can make that. Acrylic wedding sign. I can make that. Neon, it looks popular, but I would stay away from that one. I can make a wedding bar sign. Welcome to our wedding sign. So there's tons of opportunity here to make signs for weddings. I would write down each one of these, go back, search them individually, and look for the keywords that have the highest search volume and lowest competition. Again, for the wedding season, the 3 terms that we found: wedding favors for guests in bulk, wedding shot glasses, engagement favors. My name is Sam. I am an account manager here at Conde Systems. My extension is 211. My email is sbame@conde.com, and I look forward to talking to you.